Wake up your AI curiosity. Today, Google's NotebookLM lets you share interactive research notebooks. A $30 million safety lab launches to guard against AI risks, and GitHub Copilot just leveled up with spaces that turn your code into team-wide experts. Let's dive into AI news today. Google's NotebookLM now supports public sharing via simple links. Viewers can explore your AI-generated summaries in interactive Q&A without editing the original document, which remains locked. Imagine teaching a concept. You upload your notebook, add guided questions, and share the link. Students can tweak prompts, ask follow-ups, and see live answers, all while your source material stays intact. Yoshua Bengio, one of AI's founding pioneers, has launched LawZero, a nonprofit AI safety lab backed by a $30 million seed from major philanthropic donors. LawZero will focus on rigorous alignment research, red teaming frontier models, and crafting policy recommendations to prevent misuse. With Bengio's track record in foundational research, expect this lab to publish open benchmarks and safety toolkits that anyone can use to test their own systems. Meanwhile, GitHub just released Copilot Spaces, a new way to curate code, documentation, and custom instructions for Copilot. You can create a space for your microservices repository, add your project's README, key modules, and style guides, then write tailored prompts to guide Copilot. As your code evolves, Spaces automatically syncs updates, ensuring your AI expert stays current. This turns Copilot into a domain-specific assistant, whether you're in fintech, bioinformatics, or game dev, so every team member benefits from a shared AI brain. On the research front, Hugging Face integrated VLLM directly into TRL to turbocharge online learning. By coupling Vilm's efficient transformer engine with TRL's reward-guided RL algorithm, they cut wasted computation by 50% when fine-tuning on streaming data. The result? Models that learn in real time from user feedback, adapting to new tasks almost instantly without full retraining. A veteran developer summed it up bluntly: "My AI skeptic friends are all nuts." He argues that developers who dismiss LLMs today are clinging to outdated chatbot experiences. Modern coding agents can navigate entire codebases autonomously. They run tests, catch errors, and iterate until every unit tests greenlights. Sure, hallucinations happen, but when your AI assistant compiles and reruns code until it passes, the risk of shipping broken features drops to near zero. Looking ahead, some experts warn that after 2030, scaling compute will no longer drive progress. Without fresh algorithmic breakthroughs, AI timelines could stretch. The litany of low-hanging fruit, larger models, bigger datasets, will be gone, so each year we'll need smarter architectures and novel training paradigms to inch closer to AGI. On the biology side, Space introduces a mixture of experts approach for DNA representation learning. By routing genomic data through specialized expert subnetworks, one for promoter regions, another for structural variants, Space achieves state-of-the-art accuracy in predicting gene expression and disease associations. In healthcare, DIME leverages diffusion models to forecast treatment outcomes. Given a patient's baseline metrics, DIME generates a joint probability distribution over possible therapy sequences, helping doctors choose optimal drug combinations and dosing schedules by simulating downstream effects. For deep research aficionados, Jigsaw Stack just released an open-source toolkit that orchestrates LLMs, recursive web searches, and structured reasoning. Point Jigsaw Stack at a topic. Let's say, climate-resilient crop varieties, and it scours papers, extracts key findings, then drafts a comprehensive report with citations. You control depth, breadth, and model selection, allowing you to generate publish-ready literature reviews in minutes instead of weeks. On the startup GTM front, Vibe Coding riffs on using no-code AI tools to build a polished ROI calculator for a manufacturing SaaS product in under 2 hours. By wiring Bolt.new to Google Sheets, you create an interactive interface where executives can tweak assumptions, run scenarios, and see real-time projections, all without writing a single line of JavaScript. This democratizes custom dashboards, leveling the playing field for non-technical teams. When will we pay a premium for AI labor? The consensus is that AI agents currently undercut human costs. Think autonomous data labeling or basic customer support, so they're priced cheaply. But in high-stakes scenarios requiring constant vigilance, like nuclear plant monitoring or real-time financial trading, the value of an always online, zero fatigue AI might justify a premium subscription. Microsoft researchers just unveiled ADEL, a framework that predicts and explains model performance across 18 cognitive and knowledge scales. By mapping tasks like mathematical reasoning or historical context to fine-grained benchmarks, ADEL can predict with 88% accuracy which model will excel on a new task. This transparency helps organizations choose the right LLM for each project and avoid costly misalignments. In quick hits, OpenAI introduced a coordinated vulnerability disclosure policy for software bugs discovered by its AI systems, streamlining the security response process. And Amazon MGM fast-tracked a film about Sam Altman's firing and rehiring at OpenAI, eyeing Andrew Garfield for Altman's role, with Yura Borisov as tech lead Ilya Sutskever. If today's AI deep dive sparked ideas, hit like, subscribe for your daily AI briefing, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat. Drop your top story in the comments, and I'll catch you tomorrow on AI News Today.